Recording in progress.
Music in the air of the night, by the sound of the drums, where the rhythm begun. And we will never let up, never giving up fight, yeah. We didn't make it through the night, yeah. Thunder crawling all night, but keep your head up, Charlie. We were made for this life, yeah. Wait to see how we rise up. We've been down for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner, all the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run, keep on surviving in this war for no reason. Now we changing the season, yeah. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me, I say storm is over now. Yalla bailo. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me, I say storm is over now. Storm is yalla bailo. Hey, 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 bailo. Hey, hey, bailo. Change is coming tonight. Can see the sky start to clear up. We've been waiting for life, oh. Never giving up the fight, no. Start a countdown right now. About to take off, yeah. It's our turn to rise, oh. We're the children of light, oh. We've been down for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner. All the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run, keep on surviving in this war for no reason. Now we changing the season, yeah. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me, I say storm is over now. Yalla bailo. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me, I say storm is over now. Yalla bailo.
Yep. Morning.
Yeah, YouTube started. What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? I hope you guys had the great NY session yesterday. Let's mark this up here. All right, let's take a look at gold here on the daily. All right, still bullish overall, but there might be a chance that gold could be bearish. Just quick sells. The buys is also possible as well. We'll find out when we get to the lower time frame. So we got a daily resistance here, and we have a daily support here, and a daily support here. Oh, it's right here. Add one more. All right, let's take a look at the 4 hour. All right, so 4 hour, we have a support here, with a demand. So for our demand, and we have a 4-hour support here. Support here. And we got a demand sitting right here. Let's move this up. All right. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. All right, so 1 hour, we have a support here. And we have a demand here. The 1 hour demand. All right, so up here we have a previous 1 hour supply here. We've got another one here. Let's see. All right, let's take a look at the 30-minute here. So this support, we didn't break below it. Okay. And we have a demand here. Oh, where is it? Right here. So that's a 30-minute demand. You look at it, 15. Smite's 30-minute demand here. Look at it, 15. All right, so we failed to close below this previous support at around 24.11, but then we created another one right here at around 24.08. Now, higher time frame, gold is bullish, no doubt. Now, the issue here is looking at this on the 15-minute time frame. Oh, one more thing I need to do. Give me a second here. It's just a habit, guys. When I see a zone, I just have to freaking mark it up. I don't know. Anyways, so the issue here now, when we're looking at the sell side, now if we look at the high that we created at around 24.54, which is this. Now this high created this low, right? Now when we created this low in return created this high. This high we created was a lower high. You got your low, you got your lower high. Now this lower high in return broke this structure. Now this major high created this low at around 24.11. Now when we created this low, when we created this low at around 24.11, this low created this high, which is actually a lower high because this high is lower than this previous high and the major high that we created. Now that came down, creating a new low right over here. The issue is this new low did not break below this previous low, and you have a demand sitting right here. So that means when we created this new high failed to create a new low. What that signifies is that there is a chance we could see this either go all the way back up, go all the way back up, or get up to this 1 hour supply, reject again, and try to, fall down. Now, when we reject this 1 hour supply, can we actually break this low? Maybe, maybe not. But the fact that the higher time frame is bullish, even though the current daily time frame is actually a bearish candle, that's the only reason why I'm saying we could actually reject this 1 hour supply, or this supply is not that great, but we could still reject it right here, this 15-minute supply, and see gold try to come down, trap sellers, create a support, and then bam, go the other way. So what I'm looking at right now is if we can start crossing above this minor resistance, I will take the buys. Yeah, the stop loss will be big, but that is what I am looking to do. I hope my analysis makes sense. If it does not, well, I don't know what to tell you. All right. Good morning, guys.
I dey go ball without you. I just say bye, then I miss you. Wanna control what I do. She's such a beauty with issues.
Thank you, the African trader. Man, what's this stop loss going to be? I hope it's not going to be freaking as big as
110 plus.
London yesterday. 110?
Yeah, maybe even more.
Okay. 110. Sheesh. You even have that 1-to-1. Oh, okay. You have a 1-to-1. For those of you that like to hold, so if we have volume, I don't know, I'm gonna just get my 20. Nah, don't let me freaking get greedy. No need to reinvent the wheel regardless of the stop loss. Gold has high volatility now. The time is coming where the volatility will go back to normal, hopefully. We'll see. So that means I gotta use one contract here. Let me get this ready.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning. Okay. Good morning, Rakib. Good morning, Eliza. You hope someday you can interpret the market like me. Yes, you will get there. Just keep showing up. Stay consistent.
Good morning, bye. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Morning, Dottie.
I'm just going back to the YouTube to rewind and catch the beginning.
Oh, okay.
I can't rewind on this Discord, can I? It's okay. I'm here.
No. On Zoom, you can only watch. Once
Another
we're
day.
done.
Yeah. Okay. Absolutely.
Good morning, Paul.
I'm just going.
Baby, won't you calm down? Wanna know how you feel about you and me? Them they do too much, but you in control. Loving that about you. Me, I want it all, oh. She my baby doll, oh. Body they hot, oh. Leading out follow. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento untio. I wanna be wherever you go. Me que la tenga poco legio. Yo nu de pe matento untio. You got my heart and I think you know, baby girl. And I did run 1,000 days just to find you.
So guys, if we take gold buys, we will be looking at 110 pip stop loss. I wish the stop loss is smaller, but there's nothing I can do.
Man, yesterday was crazy for that as well. Volatility,
Yeah, yesterday was 120.
crazy. I think I only made like $100 because I only did 0.5. I only did 0.5 loss. A win, a W is a W. That's all I'm saying.
What about New York? What was the stop loss for New York? Oh, New York was 100 pips.
Yeah, that was a big one.
Yeah, but New York we caught 50, so that was good.
Yeah, I haven't been making as much lately because of the severe reduction in lot size.
Yep, me too.
Yeah. Same.
Me too. The only time I go full risk is if we have like less than 60 pips.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even now, man, I have to go with one contract with this one on futures.
What's one contract per 10 pips? Like what is that? $100?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is just like having a one lot on Forex.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just called contract instead of lot. Okay.
Yeah. Good morning, Tobisa.
Thinking it was my fault. I was trying to give you all you need. Didn't see the blindfold. All them nights, all that time. Can't believe
Yeah, guys, let's get to 100 likes early. Let's see if you guys will make it happen. If you're new here, welcome to the best, I repeat, the best London session stream you ever find. You might like us, you might hate us, you might like or hate how we trade, but this is the best London session stream you ever find on YouTube or anywhere else. Good morning, Faye.
And like that guy on YouTube said last time, it's like a good podcast. You're not going to get that with other streams.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I like that. Who said that?
I'm not sure. Someone on YouTube.
I like that. That's a good description.
I think it
Yeah.
was Dex or something. Let's see if this bullish candle they just closed, now we've created the support, if this will be the driving force to the upside. Good morning, Jesse. Those of you that's just joining you on YouTube, I am looking to take buys and stop loss is 110. and I'm just gonna be needing 20. After the freaking volume yesterday down in London, I'm gonna just get my 20 and get out. King is very consistent with the streams. Thank you, Jit. So this is pretty much going to be the fourth time we will be rejecting this support. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this enough to hold gold? Is this enough? If you ask me, in my opinion, it is enough to drive this thing up, but we'll see. Look at the buys we took during NY session yesterday. This thing freaking... Where did we take it? I think we took it around here. I want to look at this card. How many pips? Shoo, 200. Went up 200 ticks.
Man, it took a long ass time. Like it chopped around.
Yep. Barely missed the 1 hour supply though. Just barely. Good morning, Blue Pips. I always go to Monster Coffee. I'll get in these buys right now, but I need to at least see it start to cross 24, 21. And then I'll take it once we like crossing 24, 22, 21.
But the way it's coming up is good. You know, it's like making bullish candles as it's coming up.
Yeah.
You usually don't want just one crazy big candle because that can pull back real hard.
That was a crazy drop during NY.
NY drop.
Oh, it
when
must have been pre-NY.
yeah, when it was
Yeah,
dropping.
pre-NY, yeah.
Yeah,
Just collapsed.
because NY was actually bullish.
Hmm.
Do you think cannabis is good for trading? Not for everyone.
I think it's good. I think it's good. I haven't tried it, but apparently it's really good. I look at Abe and yeah, seems to work real good.
That's why I said not for everyone. It doesn't bother me. I can smoke weed and trade.
I need to try that one day. Put myself on demo just in case.
Yeah,
Shit could go wrong.
Yep. Put yourself in demo mode.
Alicio. Ask Alicio.
Yeah, it's good for Elysius too. He smokes and trade. Ask Kill the Beat too. He smokes and trade. But man, especially if it's your first time, don't try to freaking smoke and trade, man. Don't do it. If you want to do it, just go demo.
Man, I'm gonna be tripping out. It's like green candle, just buy it. Looks good, man. Red candle, well, I gotta sell it now. It doesn't look good.
No, that won't be the case. You'll be looking at your chart upside down. Sales become buys, buys become sales. Support become resistance, resistance become support.
Shit.
Yep, you think it's a video game. I'm smoking trade. How the chat looks like footprint. It doesn't really look different to me when I smoke and trade. I just like how the way it makes me feel. That's all. Why is this British guy in the call? Just curious. Why are you curious?
We say why? Why is the British guy in the call?
Why not?
Sorry, but I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You said this curious, so I'm like, why are you curious?
Yeah.
You know what? Let's see. Let's see if we can have 100 here. I don't think we can though. A 22.1. So, oh, well, we can have 100. Might as well do 110. Oh, it's supposed to be 110. I'm not looking at the chart, so I mean the comment now, guys. Trying to pay attention to this. Oh, nope, let me take my hands off the freaking buy button.
Don't do that again.
With volume, we could get an engulfing engulfing candle. That's going to close above 2422.1. On Forex, that's going to be what's the price on this? 2418.27. I had 100% win rate last week. Nah. We took a loss on Friday during NY session last week. Everything was good until Friday. See, maybe this will be the week. Last month we had 100% win rate 3 weeks in a row last week. The fourth week was when we had some losses. All right. New candle. This is the 30-minute. See if we can get a bottom wick first. 1 hour has a nice bottom wick. How you doing, Anton? Got a bottom wick now. Nipple bottom wick. Okay. On futures.
Yeah, I've got one on my broker and trading.
Yeah, I got one too on Forex too, but there is one here also on futures. It's just a nipple bottom wick. That's okay. Looking at where this entry is, might get 20 pips on Forex before futures today. Oh, no, we're gonna get it on futures first.
I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah, saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn, don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it, babe. Sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home?
Yeah, Forex already crossed this entry.
Know that you okay, okay, with everything I gave up for you. Did it for love, no escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you've been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you've been missing me.
Wow, you in already?
Keep being a mystery.
Not yet. Waiting for futures.
You sure?
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
He's already out. He's done for the day. It's not that we don't believe you.
Oh man, I'm in.
Let's go.
The hell, look how where 20 pips is at. That's crazy on futures. The hell? That's so close.
Yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah.
So let's take a look at where stop loss is going. So on Forex, stop loss is going to be at 2407.28.
Yeah. I just wanna call money just fall on you. Another thing I want to
Break even point. I'ma just put it. Whoa, this thing is super volatile. My God, are you kidding me?
call on you. Ooh, yeah. The girl in my vision. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention.
Yeah, there's still no point to moving to break even if you get 10, if you get your 20.
Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, they be alright. Yeah, can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. I just wanna love you. Can't nobody call on you. Ooh yeah.
2407.
Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, no, she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind. Let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you.
20 pips, that's all I'm looking for.
Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all.
Nice one, do that FX. Yeah, I would have took the trade earlier myself, but I need to see it breaking that resistance before I take it. The minor. I hope we got at least 100. Wow. I was just about to say, I hope we have at least 100 likes. We only got 43. Interesting.
Nah, come on, guys.
YouTube, why are you guys not liking this thing? Are you guys not liking this thing? We need 50 likes. At least 50. You in a cell? Oh, well, good luck.
Nah, no good luck. Hope you lose.
Yeah, fuck that guy.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, I mean, let me win first.
Yeah.
Come on, good. You're almost there.
I'm 6 pips sleep. I need 30.
Yeah, it's because today the entry is just a little bit away from Forex. We'll get it on futures, then get it wait on Forex. I'm expecting it to, at least if it wants to pull back, I'm expecting it to at least get here around 24.26 or this support at 24.27. Then pull back just to retest the demand and then continue. Let me put the entry thing here. Come on, give me my 20. Come on, God. Oh. Oh, there we go. 20 on futures.
Oh,
there we
beautiful.
Go. Beautiful, man.
There we go.
I'm out. Got 25 actually on Forex.
Yeah, wow, that actually slicked my take profit. I got more.
Beautiful.
Wow.
If you took this trade, spam W's in the chat. Beautiful, man. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. I hope you
And
like
with
this
the
stream.
sleep, I got my 20. Nice.
Nice.
I hope you guys will at least get me 200 plus likes now.
I want to see W's in the charts. I want to see likes. Let's go.
Wow. You see, even like you see yesterday, trade we took during NY, even though that was, we got out at 50 pips, still came back, stopped us out at entry. Those are, for anyone, if we had let it run, that stopped you out at entry, and then it freaking continued. Like, even this one right here, it's just so close to entry. It's best to freaking just take it and take your money and go. Nice. Let's go here. Man, this May might end up being our best month so far this year. We'll see.
I hope not, because I hope every month from now on keeps getting better.
Yeah, man. This will be the worst month for the year.
Man, I need gold volatility to go down though. Shit, I need my freaking regular lot size. I need my regular lot size back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. Match was 89%. May currently is at 90.
Oof.
Anyone got a runner on gold?
No, not with this volatility, no. Too scared.
Edwin said his lot size is so small, can't even have a runner. Just got close full.
That's true. I think that's very true.
Yeah, it's so volatile. Oh, Edwin, your twin brother on YouTube says he's still in. Oh, your namesake. Why are you guys going against each other?
Come on, Anton, give us a W. Come on, bro.
Got 30 pips and you out. Nice. Wait, did he tap that zone? I said. He got pretty close. Yeah, I could give the pullback now, but it's going to go back up. It's going to go back up there. We'll see what it's going to do. Zavida took this. Congratulations. And Pujan is still in the cell. What was your confirmation for sale? I would like to know.
Obviously, the RSI is overbought.
Oh, I think it was the full moon.
It was the full moon. Let's see if they give me 100 likes now. Wow. Just 78. If you know you've not liked this stream, especially if you've made money, just like it. That's all I'm asking. You closed one lot and you're holding two lots. Well, why didn't you close two lots and hold one? That wasn't smart in my opinion. You don't want to, if you're taking partials, you don't want to close less in the beginning. You have to close more just in case you get stopped at that break even. Oh, you missed the trades, keynotes. It's okay. So it's another day.
Unless he's gonna leave his original stop loss and he's just gonna trail out.
Yeah.
But that's always very risky.
Mm-hmm.
It's like winning trades can turn into losing trades so easily.
Yeah. Yeah, you should have closed two lots and leave one. 7 more likes, guys. 7 more to get that 100. Two more. There we go. All right. London session decided to reward us today by not letting us wait forever.
Yeah.
This is what I like. Like, for every session, I wish I can just take a look at the chart and the setup is just about to happen, and then the session opens and then the setup just does what it's supposed to do. You take your trade and you're done.
Yes. It's like we enter and then the candle just follows through and then we're out.
Mm-hmm.
It's a great day. But
Nothing. Go ahead.
So
I was just gonna say we had two pretty early ones so far this week, Monday and Tuesday during London, which is good.
yeah. So looking at the 15-minute, if I'm going to, let's say I'm not in this trade, now that we actually broke and closed above 22.2, I'll be expecting us to at least come down to this 15-minute demand, and that is where I will be looking for buys. This 15-minute demand, or if we go to, let's say you trade the 5-minute, I'll be looking at the 5-minute around right over here to take my buy. So you're just gonna be waiting for, since you have this break of structure and you buy lows and you sell tops, you wait for price to come back, and then you look to take excuse me, and then you look to take your buys up. So either this 15-minute demand, or we could reject the 5-minute. Oh, you didn't take these buys we took? I killed a bit. Or you waiting to take another position.
It's waiting for the retest then.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you was? Yeah, it should go back up.
Yeah, I was concerned about the pullback, but I was looking at 3 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, and I was like, okay, it keeps printing bearish candles on the way up. So I'm like, okay, these are like minor supports. So we shouldn't get a pullback or a crazy pullback.
Yeah, I actually was not expecting it to pull back, like I said earlier, until it taps 24, 26. It got pretty close, or this support here at 24, 27. That was when I was expecting it to do it. And it might just even just continue after this bearish candle close, because now this bearish candle has actually tapped around this minor resistance. It could just tap it and then continue bullish. So
it's unfortunate that the entry had to be so far.
Yeah, if not for this minor resistance, entry would have been around here. This is there would have taken the buys. This second candle, the 15-minute candle that opened after this London candle, this London open candle.
Then when you have entries like that, it's very easy to hold the runner because you're expecting this to break. And once that breaks, you've got plenty of space to work with.
Yep, pretty much. Yeah, if you want to trade in strategy, but that is what I'll be looking for if I didn't take the buys previously. I'll wait for it to come back to the 15-minute demand or the 5, and I'll look to take the buys. But if it breaks the lows, I don't see that happening. But if it does, then you got to switch from buys to sells at that point. Yep, yeah, the SL will be smaller as well. What would the LCL have been if we had that entry down there? Let's see.
Much better.
Yeah, SL would have been at least 75. And that's much better. Man, we've traded good a lot. When was the last time we traded US 30? That was the last time we took the US 30 trade was the beginning of this month on the 2nd. Yep, it's all been good.
And look at the win rate. Holy shit.
So this month we've taken gold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, pretty much the 2 losses we had was gold. Wait, yeah.
Yeah.
So
there are no US 30 losses. US 30 only prints money.
It should be illegal.
It should.
Gold does too, but you got to also put into consideration that we've taken less US steady trades, so you got to put that into consideration as well.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, US steady, we've only taken what? We've only taken 20 trades on US steady. Even though it's a 90% win rate on it, 2 losses, 18 wins. Compared to gold, where
100 trades.
we've taken, what's this? 110.
Ooh.
84 wins, 26 losses, almost 77%. Yeah.
Damn, I can't believe it's only 77%. Feels like it's higher.
I know, right?
Yeah.
That's because.
Don't forget GJ.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't even want to.
What's that?
I don't even want to look at GJ, but man, if I tell you what GJ is, even though it's only 4 trades, you'll be like, man, this dude can't trade. 25%. Horrible.
Well, it's better than my GJ rate. My GJ win rate is 0%. It's like 2 losses, 1 break even.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, but man, we're killing gold this month. We're killing gold this month. This month, gold is 89%. Last month, gold was 71. So, then March, gold was 86%. February, we all know how February was. Gold was 59.
What?
February was
Oh.
horrible. and then January, gold was 79%. So yeah, gold has been good this month. Oh, man. Look at US 30. US 30, just 1 trade, 100% this month. Last month, we took it 10 times, all wins, 100%. March, 4 trades, 100%. February, yeah, we took it 4 times, 50%. January, we only took it once, and that was, 100%. All 100, except for February.
See, that's what I'm telling you. US 30, it only prints money.
Yep, she only prints money.
So I've got 100% win rate on US 30 this year. It's crazy.
What? You didn't take it in February?
There was like 1 trade that I didn't take with you. That was a loss, and 1 trade that I took, but I got out at break even.
Oh.
Where's the loyalty?
Oh, I remember. I didn't get out at break even. It's because I scaled into that trade, and then I got out slightly in profit on my worst positions, and then break even on my best positions.
Oh, okay. Good morning, Ishmael.
I think that was early on because the stop losses were so shocking back then. It's like, oh man, I'm gonna scale into this. This is fucking like 120 pip stop loss. Oh Jesus, you know.
How Gideon said you've been cheated. Yeah, gold might not pull back to this demand. Like I said earlier, like it could just decide to retest this previous minor resistance at around 2422.2 and break this high and continue. If that's your setup, if it starts breaking these highs, then you can take it. But for me, as a supply and demand trader, it has to come down to either the 15-minute demand or the 5-minute demand for me to take the buys. If it doesn't, then no trade for me. Even though I do also understand that, because hey, I know what I'm doing. I do understand that if it fails to break and close below 24.22, meaning it just keeps rejecting and start breaking above this minor resistance, it should continue. I know I can take it if I want, but that's not my setup. So I stick to my setup. That's why I said if that's your setup and you see that happen, then you can take it. If it's not your setup, there's no point taking it, because the day you take it and then it goes wrong, you're gonna start blaming yourself, regretting, and you don't want to feel that way in this industry. It's not good for your mental health. It's better when you know you waited for your setup and you took it and you still lost. It's better than you taking a setup that you know wasn't your setup and you lost. So that's what I try to do.
Oh yeah. Remember, I forgot who posted it, but someone in our Discord private community posted how, we have a lower win rate during those New York news days, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I remember back in the day, I used to avoid taking some of the trades that you would have where it was like a engulfing side-by-side candle. And those are usually on the news days. But now, lately, your win rate's it's increased. And I've been seeing whenever we have those engulfing side-by-side candles, you still win. So you definitely, fixed up that. Because if you notice, the news days, you kill them. There's just no more lower win rate or whatever.
I had to go back and look at, okay, where can I get in this trade? What can I do? What do I need to look for to be able to catch this trade? Even the buys we took yesterday, remember, usually we will wait for this candle to close at first.
Yeah.
But then you had, looking to the left, because you have clean candles right here to your immediate left. Now, but if you look to your next left, you have this support right here, and you got this support right here. And you can see both candles did not, this bullish candle did not even close above, it closed rejecting. So when I decided to, okay, you know what, I'm gonna give it some breathing room. If it can start crossing here, I'll look to take it, and there we had our entry using the body of this support right here. If we can start crossing there, I will take the trade, and that's why we didn't wait for this candle to close and we took it. Plus, we have previously broke structure to the right, and we created this high here. We had a previous break of structure, and we rejected the demand and decided to take the buys.
I was thinking more that US 30 trade that we never took, that you were just forward testing. That was perfect example of how you were killing it with those trades.
Oh, okay.
It's completely side-by-side candle, huge giant candle, perfect. Entry was fantastic, Trade played out perfectly. Real.
You're welcome, Steph. Oh, you made a bot using supply and demand. Nice. You've
Oh, that's
passed
cool.
you've passed 2 challenges and now you funded on 250K accounts. Nice. What? Steph, you've been watching me for 3 years? Wow. You must have been quiet at first in the beginning. Oh, there we go. Somebody must ask a stupid question. How much do I make per month? What's your business?
Be smart, dude. Be smart. And respectful.
What strategy do I use is right there on the screen. Anyways, I use supply and demand. That's a good question. I would answer that. But don't come here and be asking me personal questions. Okay, those of you waiting, you guys might get it. It's coming down. Can I explain why I just take 1-to-1 risk to reward trades? I don't even take 1-to-1. Like, look, I didn't wait for 1-to-1 here. I trade negative risk to reward. I trade negative risk to reward. But during New York session, our goal is to always get 50% of our 1-to-1. So let's say this was New York session and we had a 110 pip stop loss here. That means we will get out at 55. That's why if you look at the journal, if you look at the New York session trades is always more than London session. That's what we do. Some people like it, some people don't, and hey, it's all fine with me. I don't care. I would rather have a high win rate than have a low win rate. That's why I'm a negative risk to reward trader. And I'm so freaking good at it. Find your edge. If your edge is being a risk to reward ratio trader, then by all means do that. If your edge is being a negative risk to reward trader, then by all means do that. Stop listening to all these so-called Forex gurus that keep telling you the only way to make money is you gotta freaking have. I've even seen some talking about 1-to-1. If you're trading a 1-to-1 risk to reward, you freaking suck. You don't know what you're doing. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? If I'm trading a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, if I can freaking get, all I need is 51%. If I can get a 51% win rate, I made profit for that month. So what are you saying? Do you? At the end of the day, man, at the end of the day, we not, so our brain is not wired the same. Our brain is wired differently. What I can take mentally, you cannot take mentally. What I'm trying to say is, if I can mentally take for example, 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio, that does not mean you can mentally take a 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio. That's what people need to freaking figure out and understand. If I'm taking a 1-to-5 risk-to-reward ratio trades mentally and I can handle it, it doesn't mean you can handle it. You might only be able to handle a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio or a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, and that is fine. You might only be able to handle a negative risk-to-reward ratio. And for me, that is what I can handle. It took me 5+ years to be able to, before I found out that the way I trade now is who I am. You don't want that to happen to you. You want to make sure you find that out in the beginning. Okay? You want to make sure you find that out in the beginning. You don't want to prolong your journey, man. I was still profitable before all that, but I was always sad. I was always moody, and I didn't like how it made me feel mentally, because it was also affecting me sometimes when I trade, and I didn't want that. But the moment I finally figured out that taking negative risk to reward ratio trades and having a high win rate is actually who I am, everything just changed. And I've just been getting better every freaking year. Find that out in 2021. From 2021 till now, I never stopped. I've been a negative risk to reward ratio trader since then.
That's well said. And there's definitely like some correlation between the higher risk reward, the lower the win rate. It's just impossible to get a high win rate with high risk reward.
Yeah, I prefer the high win rate, man.
Yeah. It's like it affects us psychologically. Like if I go on like, like more than like, if I take 3 losses in a row, oh man, I feel like, and I'm scared to take my next trade. I'm like, what's going on? I don't even know. It's like, can I even trade anymore? Damn.
And if you really sit down, think, meditate, you will really understand that risk to reward ratio is a scam. And I'll explain. In the world of finance, this is what you look at. In the world of finance, this is what you look at. Excuse my drawing. You guys know this is percentages. This is what you freaking look at. They don't look at your freaking risk to, you won. Oh, what was your risk to reward? It's freaking beginners, inexperienced traders that ask questions like that. The real traders, this is what they will look at. What's your percentage? That's what they look at. So if you're trading let's say 1-to-5, and you freaking made 5% this month, I can do the same, taking a negative risk to reward, let's say 0.5, and I can still have the same. I can still have the same 5%. I can still have the same 5%. So what the hell are we talking about, man? What are we talking about? I'm about to double my account size again. That will be twice, and the year has not ended, and I'm trading negative risk to reward. So what are we saying? I'm telling you, man. You have to, know how to trade. Make sure your psychology is intact, man. Then you need to discover your personality. Negative risk to reward is who I am. If you don't like it, well, I don't know what to tell you. I'm doing me. There will be people that are gonna like it because I'm not the one that feels this way. That's how it is. What were you trying to say, Well?
I don't know. That's fantastic. I just added in the comment about, the win rate, it has to get lower as your RR goes higher,
Mm-hmm.
And then you made perfect point about, it's like high win rate, it makes our mood better, Then you don't have to stress while holding a trade for hours and hours.
Yeah, man.
This guy in the chat, Atlas or Altless, what the hell?
Yeah, I'm thinking about banning him.
Yeah,
He's starting to get fucking annoying. Ban him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alfie said, love to be here when Abe Simon comes on.
Amen. Amen.
In my opinion, I feel like Xauusd world traders, they just freaking scared. Don't let me say they don't know how to trade. At the end of the day, that's who they are. But Xauusd world is an easy way out.
Yeah.
You took the easy way out. But hey, that's fine because that's your personality.
Don. Where do I know that name before?
What name?
What are you doing in this chat?
Do you need TraderVate to trade on top step? No, you don't. You can. I'm using TradingView with them, and now they have their own. Is it right if I say they have their own trading platform?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, now they have their own trading platform, which is Top Step X. So you can use that.
I would recommend Top Step X.
Yeah. What is the... Oh, what are you trying to say, Tao? Can I explain the steps to getting funded with Top Step? I just go on their website. I don't...
Yeah, I didn't want to be too rude straight away, but yeah, I was gonna say, I'm like, man, motherfucker, come on.
Just go on their website, click this media. I'm not trying to be an asshole, but stuff like that, you can just go to their website. It's everything is there.
You're gonna ask, Abe questions. It should be, based on his trading.
Yeah, those questions, yeah, I will answer, but yeah, I don't. Yeah, for what you're asking, just go on their website.
And you don't want to be so lazy that you yourself need to ask someone else to go on the website to get that information for you. I mean,
Yeah. You're tempted to take another trade, Edwin. Don't do it.
Don't do it, bro. Sit on your hands.
Once you do it, you're going to do it again tomorrow. And then tomorrow. And then tomorrow. And then tomorrow. On and on. And then the more you do it, the harder it becomes to stop. That's why.
Hold short on the 5. Sorry, go ahead.
That's why it's so hard for people that overtrade. That's why it's so hard for them to stop, because they've been doing it for so long. So it's going to take them some time to stop overtrading, and it's good. They have to do it slowly. Like maybe they're taking 10 trades in a day. Maybe when they start trying to stop, maybe they'll do 9, and then maybe 8, and then maybe 5 a day. So you don't want to, put yourself in that position. The more you do it, the harder it gets to stop.
They said that then your name turns to Faye. And I just wanted to mention Anton, man, good old Anton, gold short 5 minute. This is the truth now. Thanks for letting me know now.
Thanks, Antoine. It's already 10 pips down, but thanks, bro.
Oh man,
the conversation with Emma last week was good. Yeah, he doesn't trade London anymore. Yep, that's good, Nicholas. That's very good. They say you're all welcome, muchachos. What does muchacho mean? Muchacho. I'm gonna look it up. I want to know. Muchacho. What does muchacho mean? Muchacho. Oh. Muchachos. Oh, boys. Young man. Okay. Man, don't even paper trade it either. You paper trade it, keep paper trading it, one day you'll be like, you know what, I'm gonna take it live. Don't paper trade it either.
Man, Abe is so like on point with his like mental focus. But I bet this guy still hasn't quit vaping. Have you quit vaping yet?
Nope.
You see, it doesn't make sense.
I know, right? It doesn't. I feel like when I talk about psychology, it's basically me talking about what I went through. That's it. That's why you wanna pay attention to. You wanna pay more attention to a trader that has been through a lot mentally when it comes to psychology in this industry. Those are the traders you want to pay attention to, not the ones who tell you, hey, I was profitable after 6 months, after freaking 1 year. No, no, you can't teach me about psychology. You've not really went through it. When it comes to freaking making money, it's not that easy, man. It's not that easy.
I've always found like with anything, like let's say you learn something from someone, a coach or something, I want someone who's been there and done that and achieved that, rather than someone who's maybe like, I read a book on it and I'll teach you what I learned from the book. I don't want that guy.
Mm-hmm. Like
because it's like,
if I want to learn like how to make money, I'm not gonna learn, even if what I'm about to say, even if that person actually became successful, I'm not gonna learn from them, especially if they come from a wealthy family. Even though they, still went out there and got it on their own, I'm not gonna learn from them because you pretty much didn't freaking get it from the mud. You come from a freaking wealthy family. You've had that finance, that wealthy knowledge from your family. Maybe you got it from your dad or from your mom, and you probably had some help as well financially. So I don't want to learn from you. Yeah, silver spoon. I don't want to learn from you. I want to learn from someone that freaking came from a poor background and then freaking got it from the mud themselves. That's who I want to learn from. That's who I can relate to. That's the type of person that can really teach me everything. Not someone who freaking came from a rich family. Nope, you can't teach me.
Yeah.
Because you won't understand where I'm coming from. I won't be able to relate with you. Got it out the mud. That's key word. We got different type of mud though. The mud I'm talking about might not be the one you're talking about. I'm talking about man, how do I explain this? Man, Kiddy, can you where's my vlogs? Yeah, I'm looking for another word. Yeah, the real mud. Yeah, I'm looking for something else. I'm looking for another word.
Basically, you want someone who's really achieved that, built it from the ground up, and not had us, stepping stool, cheat his way up there where it's it's like, I can't relate to that because you're already fucking up there, You're one step away from the pedestal.
Yep. Now, if you got help, if you got help along the way, that's fine. But at least you started building from the ground up, and you go to a certain level. Maybe you go to the 6-figure income level, and then you got some help some type of way. Then that's different. But not like you freaking getting help from freaking day one. Pretty much somebody gave you a ladder and then you freaking stepped on it and you just went to the top. Nah, I don't want that.
Tobile asked you a question about lot size. What's the lot size you recommend for a 10K account? She wants to trade without anyone's help next month to see how far she can go.
Okay, so Tobile, when it comes to questions like that, I don't like giving an answer because, once again, it all depends on you. You're the only one who know the amount you're willing to lose, or let me say the percentage you're willing to lose. Because, like I said earlier, your mentality is different from mine. Now, for example, let's say with a 10K account, I might be willing to lose $1,000. You might only be willing to lose $500. Now, whatever that percentage is, that's the lot size you need to use. So let's say when you calculated the amount you want to lose, let's say it's $1,000. Now, $1,000 of 10% is what? Of 10,000 is 1%, right? Is that 1%? Yeah, that's 1%, right? Am I right?
Oh, sorry. I wasn't listening. I was doing something. I was journaling.
So $1,000, 10%. Yeah, that's 1%. So since that's 1%, you already know that you're only willing to lose $1,000. Then that's when you start calculating what your lot size is going to be. So maybe that 1,000 equals one lot. Then that's what you need to use. I hope that makes sense. Oh wait, $100. Oh, that's 10%. Oh, okay. So you get it, Tobile. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I suck at maths. I hope it makes sense to Billy. So I don't really like to recommend, oh, okay, you have a 50K account, then use freaking 5 lot or 3 lot. I don't like to do that. Only you know. That's the decision you have to make. Like the $1,000 that I said, even though it's 10%, as long as you're willing and you know that you're mentally willing to lose that 10%, which is $1,000, then do it. That is all that matters at the end of the day. But, however, I wouldn't recommend doing that though. Because even me, I don't do that. The highest I would go is 5%. That's the highest I'm gonna go. Even if I have 500,000 account size or freaking 1 million, I ain't going above 5%. Okay, that's what you're considering work. Okay, you're willing to lose 1K. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. All right, guys, all my links is down below in the description. You want to hang with us on Zoom, trade NY session with us, learn from me, from helping you with psychology, teaching you how I trade. I will be there. I'm your guy. I'll see you guys. What's today? I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same session. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out. All right, Zoom. Finished early today, so maybe I can take a nap before NY.
Sounds good. Amazing session.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Dave. Thank you. See you
You're
later.
welcome,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
See you guys later for NY.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Close to my body, I should've known. Just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger av min tid, jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna